do you need to start the ketogenic diet? Well, you need a paper and pen or your computer to journal your symptoms, because sometimes symptoms are more important to understand than numbers, being it the glucometer number or your LDL numbers or your total cholesterol numbers or your, well, reproductive free, free testosterone is quite an interesting number. Remember, we can look at what's in the blood value, which changes daily, or we can look at things in the saliva, but we can't see doctors can't see what's going on in the cell yet, but it'll get you close. It'll help you understand. Or your thyroid is another thing where the numbers can be subjective. Now, with that said, urine strips are ketones leaving the body. You guys, stop using urine strips, because if they turn dark purple, you're not in ketosis, right? So you really want to see a clear registration that you're uptaking and using the ketones. These are very simple ways to analyze the uptake of ketones. Now, you're also going to show clear on the urine strip if you're not making any ketones, and you're going to feel tired. With that said, a blood glucometer is great. The Mojo now is out. I used to have people go after the Precision Extra Freestyle under Abbott glucometers, but remember, even the glucometers can be off in their reading by 20%, but they can get you close. So definitely, blood glucometer is one of the first things that you should get, besides clearing out your kitchen of all the carbohydrates and sugars, and going to the supermarket and getting the list of foods that are on my site, which is stephanieperson.com, which is fatty meats. Be careful for like butter if you've got histamine intolerance or dairy sensitivities or allergies. But if you don't and you've got good gut permeability, then it's no problem for those types of animal fats. If you don't have any problem, latex allergy for avocados and no sensitivity to lard, those are amazing fats. Now, avocado oil is great. Olive oil, be careful, it oxidizes more. Coconut oil can help, but it doesn't. I love the lauric acid in coconut oil. I don't prescribe it for people to adapt. All right, guys, if you want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. Always get a glucometer to start your keto adaptation. Get your fats at 200 grams of fat. Have your veggies be no more than 2 handfuls per meal, 3 times a day. That's at least 6 cups of veggies from cruciferous vegetables. Yep. And try to well source your meats and organic produce, and be careful for things like zucchini and butter squash. Yes, I said it. And people who've got thyroid, be careful for the tomato. Anything with seeds is considered more a fruit and can spike your blood sugar. Look for things that are very fibrous. And I'm out. This is just a quick video on don't rely on the urine strip. Use a blood glucometer to start your keto adaptation. And you want to test for the first month, every morning fasted on an empty stomach before you pee. Yep. And you want to test once a week, all day long, 2 hours post meals for your blood sugar, and always test your ketones in the morning. Yes, always, at least once a week for the first month. And I'm out. I'll tell you the numbers of what you need to look for later. Peace. Oh, yes, don't forget to go to stephanieperson.com. Check me out at PaleoFX if I didn't already say it. It's like my 5th video. And I'm out, guys. Or Stephanie Ketogenic on Instagram.